Today, we're diving into the icy world of Antarctica. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible facts about the southernmost continent on Earth. Antarctica, a continent often perceived as a vast expanse of ice and snow, holds a surprising secret. It is, in fact, a desert. This seemingly contradictory truth stems from the fact that Antarctica receives less than 51 millimeters of precipitation annually. It holds the title of the windiest place on Earth, with recorded wind speeds exceeding 218 miles per hour. Antarctica reigns supreme as the coldest place on our planet. In 1983, the Soviet Union's Vostok station recorded the lowest temperature ever measured on Earth, minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Antarctica stands as the guardian of 90% of the world's ice. Locked within Antarctica's icy embrace lies a staggering 60% of the world's fresh water. The fate of this frozen treasure is intricately linked to the delicate balance of our planet's climate. In the heart of the world's southernmost continent lies a place where the conventional rules of time cease to apply. Antarctica's unique geographic location at the South Pole renders traditional time zones meaningless. The lines of longitude converge at the South Pole, creating a situation where all time zones theoretically meet at a single point. Beneath Antarctica's vast ice sheet lies a hidden world, including the majestic Gumburtsev Mountains. These enigmatic peaks rise to heights exceeding 3,000 meters, rivaling the grandeur of the Alps. Yet, they remain hidden from view, buried beneath more than 4,000 meters of solid ice. Antarctica harbors a fiery secret beneath its frozen exterior. This land of extremes is home to active volcanoes, including one on Deception Island. The presence of active volcanoes in Antarctica serves as a reminder of the dynamic forces at play beneath the Earth's surface. In 1820, human eyes first gazed upon the icy shores of Antarctica. Antarctica stood as the only continent on Earth without an indigenous population, preserved in a state of natural wonder. Despite its extreme conditions, life has found a way to thrive in Antarctica. From emperor penguins to Weddell seals, Antarctica's wildlife showcases remarkable resilience and adaptability. Today, Antarctica stands as a testament to international cooperation dedicated to scientific research. Scientists from around the globe converge on this icy frontier, drawn by the unique opportunities it offers for studying climate change and geology. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've uncovered some of the most mind-blowing facts about this incredible continent. Let's wander together. See you next time.